sunny today and it's beautiful. Look at the huge wide beginner slope out here. It's massive. Command it roll. Here's the mountain. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, we're going to go see if we can catch up with Kath. Get some more video of it. Let's get up. Oh, which is always fun. Shit. Slow one. Okay. Gonna watch other people. We're gonna leave and catch up with Kath. Oh, there she is. Just having a think. No? Yeah, there she is. Just turn the corner. I'm gonna leave and catch up with her. Oh, dude, stacked it. Beautiful beginner slope. There's Kathy. And go across to her. I'm going to follow you down with it. Hey? No, I'm okay. I'll film you.
Oh, you're going to try to...
You're doing well, man, because this bit's a bit slope here, but you'll be fine. Oh. I'll cut that. Yeah, just see if you can go on a little bit. I know, just see if you can go. Oh my God, look at the tiny little kid. That is so tiny. Okay, you're doing well. There's hardly no coming now, so it's a good time. Did you need music? Music makes it heaps better. Doing awesome. Oh. To turn around soon to get Kath. Now, buffed up the other side. Doing well, Kath. The actual action shots. Dude. You okay? She's hooning. Woohoo! Well done! Flew down. Well done, Kathy. Okay. Oh, sorry. I need to go in front of you. Smile, I'm going to stop now. Last words? Having an awesome time? Yeah.